You work longer hours, you push yourself harder, yet life somehow keeps feeling smaller. The unsettling feeling you get when looking at your bank account after payday is a quiet, continuous warning signal. The grocery store is where this drain usually shows up first. You pick up a familiar bag of chips or a box of oatmeal, but the price has doubled, and 70% of the packaging is just air. This diagram illustrates an invisible erosion mechanism known as economic friction. It doesn't spike in a way that makes you gasp. Instead, it seeps out through an unexpected infrastructure fee on your water bill, a software renewal that creeps up by $2, or unnamed service charges buried in your insurance. When combined, these tiny frictional forces are devastating. Over a single year, an average middle-class family loses over $4,000 just to hidden fees, an amount large enough to cover rent for an entire quarter. This steady loss is not a technical error. Corporations established algorithmic routines that automatically divert funds from your pocket to theirs, smoothly and constantly. If you feel like you are losing ground despite your best efforts, it is because these automated mechanisms are designed to produce that exact result. There was a time when the math of American life was simple. You traded 40 hours of your week, and in return, the system practically guaranteed you a suburban home, a car, and a reliable retirement. The 2008 financial collapse broke that contract. In the aftermath, corporations moved away from winning you over as a lifelong customer. Instead, they adopted an operational model focused on extracting raw cash flow from the public. This chart shows exactly how that plays out for the modern worker. Companies announce record net profits, yet immediately dismiss thousands of employees via automated emails to appease shareholders. It creates a state of hopeless employment, where running faster no longer secures your future. You don't sit at a negotiation table anymore. You are treated as an asset to be managed, mined for the last drop of value. To keep the extraction going, modern workplaces use algorithmic surveillance to enforce a constant digital presence. Workers stay late and send emails at night, fearing that a few idle minutes will cause a software system to flag them as a risk. By the time you finally step away from the screen, your physical and mental energy reserves are depleted. This diagram illustrates the intentional friction businesses design to keep your money. They bury cancel buttons and build complex automated service mazes. They know that after 10 hours of work, you are too tired to spend 2 hours disputing a $5 charge. These AI systems don't have a setting for empathy. You cannot explain a medical emergency or a personal crisis to a line of code. It only sees a missed payment to penalize. Your daily fatigue is their business model. The system relies on you being too exhausted to fight back against the steady siphoning of your wealth. When the safety net is gone, the old markers of success turn into debt traps. A standard mortgage or a minor medical bill can quickly lead to sudden bankruptcy, affecting hundreds of thousands of people every year. Faced with these risks, a cultural shift is taking place. Millions of Americans are actively choosing to abandon traditional societal expectations, participating in a movement known as system unsubscription. The surge in van living and severe minimalism represents a forced physical evacuation from impossible rent prices and insurmountable mortgages. People are accepting a harsh reality, surrendering physical space, property ownership, and the idea of having children, just to maintain a basic level of survival. Older generations often mistake this retreat for a lack of ambition, but the math shows otherwise. This is a logical defense mechanism against an economy that demands everything while guaranteeing nothing in return. Recognizing that the game is rigged changes the perspective. When you stop viewing the struggle as a personal failure, you gain the clarity needed to protect your energy and define your future.